5 p.m., we pick you up at Rosebank, the trendiest part of Johannesburg. It's hip, it's amazing. We come with our rides, our flags, we pick you up. You feel like a VIP. You get into our transport. We drive to Soweto. We drive to Soweto during peak time. You see how many people, you see the economy of Johannesburg literally driving back into Soweto.
Let's walk to freedom.
We meet each other, we say our highs, then the choir meets us outside. Oh, they start singing. The choir is like a spiritual. Your soul is lifted. We start the night tour. Through our night walking tours, we celebrate the heritage of Soweto, and we are so privileged and have such an amazing opportunity to work with inspired individuals who run the galleries like Mandela House, like June 16 Memorial Museum, Hector Pieterson Museum, Regina Mundi. They're open for us at night. They're allowing us to activate the space to make sure a lot more people get access to this history and heritage. When you're looking at Credo Mutwa, you are looking at the history of Africans. You're not just looking at the history of South Africa's liberation struggle. And it's just so vast. So as Soweto Night Out, we touch on everything. We love to talk about African heritage and liberation heritage, and we incorporate that in our tour experience. Safety is a commodity, and safety is a commodity we control and own in the community. What do I mean? Safer communities attract economic opportunities, economic development. And so safety is important because it's a job creator. The more tourism we have, the more jobs are created, the more activity there is in South Africa, the safer it gets. It's just an industry that gives and gives and gives. We have been able to communicate the connection between economic prosperity and safety. So our tours, our communities know we employ the youth through our choir. We employ the community policing forum, so they have a job on that night. We pay entrance at the galleries. We're making sure that the galleries are sustained. We go to a restaurant, we buy dinner, we buy drinks, we support that restaurant. There are so many touch points where people are benefiting from the work that we do. There are so many touch points where we're activating little economies. And the more we grow and the more successful we get, the more people benefit. We want to ensure that Soweto becomes a global destination in the sense that people don't just book to hop on a bus and come and look at us, but actually book to hop on a plane and come and stay with us. Soweto Night Out. My name is Nomsa Mazwai, and I am the owner of Soweto Night Out. Soweto Night Out is a night tourism operator in Soweto, and we provide night walking tours in the township of Soweto, the historic township.